up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Some G's right now me there. You don't know say Trabass and John them gone to supermarket right now for come back. Me don't know where we are cook, but knowing Trabass more likely I go buy chicken or some sort of, cause you don't know him love him jerk chicken. So right now we just a bill. Illusion both we come give you a link. So me don't know if them a record nothing tonight. You know that I for them thing. Me I go chef up some whatever. Me don't know. Me feel for probably curry or brown stew. A long time I no curry. Long time I no consume some curry or some brown stew. Me have everything for the curry. And me have everything for the brown stew. So whichever we good. And if a jerk chicken, we have everything for the jerk chicken too. So we good. Me did tell him to buy a coconut milk and vegetable, like mixed vegetable for the mixed vegetable rice. So we can do that if you remember to do it. So yeah, for now I just that I going for right now. Nice to chill vibes. Nice to chill evening. Nothing now go on too tough. Out the door. Out the door cool same way. Alright, so I'm a little chill spot now. Come out here so come bail more while. Now as I come out here, the machine they want to turn on. So right now I being nice. But me there I may chill for the evening. I feel for some ice cream. I not lie to you, I feel for some ice cream. But I feel for some rummy nut. Who don't know rummy nut is basically rum and raisin mixed with grape nut. Me always tell people, say, me personally, grape nut, you know you have two different flavors. You have, well, the same thing, but you have grape nut. People buy grape nut already, and you have grape nut. One spell grape nut and one spell grape nut. You know what I mean? I don't know if a two different thing or one is just a Jamaican thing and one is the American thing, but as something me actually see before, two different spelling. One spell grape and one spell great. You know what I mean? So me personally, as I say, me personally, me think grape nut or great nut are the best ice cream in the world. We can debate. Comment what you feel are the best ice cream flavor or your favorite ice cream flavor. You know what I mean? What about people are gonna say rum and raisin, because rum and raisin is kinda for the Jamaican culture and grape nut is kinda it. So rum and raisin and grape nut me expect to see the most. I don't expect no liquor idiot flavor like no vanilla and no chocolate, although more while them flavor the bad still, you know. But me I talk about ice cream flavor like pistachio, rum and raisin, stout. Stout butter. All the people don't know about stout, but stout butter. Stout is basically Guinness ice cream. Yeah, Guinness ice cream, that's stout. Stout butter. NSA, I try NSA ice cream before. Yo, comment some of the exotic flavored ice cream you ever try before. Comment it below. So below, I want you to comment on a favorite ice cream flavor. The baddest one you really think. All the people have their favorite, you know, but them know say that another baddest ice cream flavor. Like how would I say, yo, rum and raisin bad, you know, but grape nut are my personal flavor. You know what I mean? So comment what you think are the baddest, what your personal and an exotic one where you think exotic or something where you mix up and it becomes something good. Because I see pistachio and grape nut, I see pistachio, rum and raisin, I see rum and raisin mixed with all kind of things. So comment a flavor where you try before, where sound like it taboo, where sound like it probably weird, but it bad to you. Comment it before. You don't know, I might try it. And me looking to buy an ice cream maker. You know what I mean? The machine will make the ice cream where blend it up on him something so I can soon start make ice cream. Me and Una go make ice cream, so sooner or later Una go just give me some ice cream flavors and me I go make it, or me I go just come up with my own flavor them and come up with my own name them and make it. But yeah, as I said, it's a nice little chill vibes, chill evening for right now. We're just there and we are Bill. Trabass them soon forward back from the supermarket. Look like it's gonna rain. Hopefully it rain because I love rain. There's something with me and rain. You know what I mean? So, and then tell you know what exactly we are gonna cook. So, big up my G's them. Big up my G's them. Trabass over there vlogging. We have Lucian in the building right there. We just there ends out. How far idea?
Two of them in that over right now.
A John idea. Are you saying to buy roast bread food?
No, you know, say to me see all I'm
Hold on, we coming by right back. Alright, so right now Trabass actually roasting 2 breadfruit right now.
No, side.
Where the boss roast some breadfruit and they're bad. So him say him have to, you the right eye chair foot there so. No, the one there.
Oh.
Yeah, so right now I don't know what them about for over there so, but over there so called Hits Maker.
What's that like then?
I'll be a Hits Maker over there so. Right now me about to make some. I want you to make brown stew. Make some brown stew. The man forgot the coconut milk. Yo, you can't send Trabass a shop, you know. You had one job, bro. You had one job. Alright, blame it on John. So, no coconut milk now going in rice because of John, right?
Put milk in there, the thin milk.
Tin milk?
Yeah, that's sweet up your rice.
Which tin milk? Sweetened milk?
Yeah.
I've never had that.
That's
what you know, chef them.
No, we have tried before. No.
Yeah, but hold on there. No, Trabass I thought, but here, John, I never had that before. John said, you know, I never had that before. Like, he really think about it, no? Trabass tell the man, say a joke, yeah, mate. Yo, Alicia Keys eat white rice and honey. So tin milk and rice must can eat.
That's how I'm pregnant too, man.
Tin milk and rice.
Yeah. I'm pregnant too, man. They met the baby slide.
No. John. You really want to try the rice now? Yo, when you get...
No, so that joke after, we feel like you can't cook with the white rice with the meat vegetable.
No, you can't cook without it.
No. No, brother,
hold on, John. You want me to cook yours separately with the condensed milk? Yeah, when you're done, you put the milk on the rice. Yeah, that sound like that bad silly, that sweetie. That tastes like Rice Crispy.
Definitely
right. Rice Crispy, that dog. Yeah, it just have be regular white rice with mixed vegetable. Over there, we are wait because Trabass buy everything. Him just run back and buy coconut milk and butter because we say yo no butter not there. So now him have to run back out on the road. Forget coconut milk and butter so we can start the pot, start the food officially. Right now, what time now? 9 o'clock to 9.
Yeah.
You know, if you eat rice so late, you know. Yo, it too late for we decide to not eat rice late. But yeah, right now we're there. Alright, when the coconut milk fall back, we check in back again. So right now, this is how I go on for now. Scallion, onion. All the next because up me name time. I'm gonna cut up a pepper. Yo, them pepper you smell sweet, you fret. They just smell sweet, but then hot. No, me I got add in me. All purpose. Can't bother with that. Some pimento, you know. But if the food tastes good.
People just bum rush me at supermarket. You could pick me up bars.
What you say happened?
Oh shit, yeah. So everybody we're out here with Emily. We're going to cry. We're going to baby alarm for you. Hello? She said, you're not my daddy. So you're not crying for? Oh God.
Butter is here.
Boom, boom, boom. But not, yes, slow. Boom.
When the food done, we call you. The pot just land. I'm sure no one go on. And then you have vegetable white rice. You know, I go share, dog.
I feel like I have to do it,
Yo, Jolly, quiet, John said. I boss the pot in, John said. Yeah. Yeah, so we're about for a self-serve right now, you know what I mean? Because I cook, I'm not supposed to share, so Lucian I go share for him, one food. John go share for him, one food. Trabass step on the road and soon forward back again. Yo, right now you come in and you do that, you not faint. You not faint, you don't have to eat pear and bread and go in bed. But yeah, food just land, pot just land. We're about to consume this and make some eats and all of them something there for the rest of the night. So up it, up it. Let me share up my food, man. I'll show you how I go. People, breadfruit. Show us, burn up your breadfruit. Boy, bad still. John ate breadfruit.
Where? Yo.
They alright?
They're cut the breadfruit.
Oh, nice. Seems like you're right. I will just cut it and then cut off your back and cut out the heart. Lotion!
Yes, man. Food saucy, man. Yes. Yeah. What's that is?
And these are the magic buckle, you know, people. And this grow beard. Everybody go out there, why not this now? This grow beard, okay? I leave it at that. I look at Hennessy in it. Put some Hennessy on the beard and see what goes on. Camera can't lock off, you know.
Yes, man.
So you have brown stew chicken with a little breadfruit over there.
With the veg rice.
With the veg rice.
Yes.
Oh my god. Then can't say we not eat healthy. Vegetable in our rice make everything healthy. Water. Right. Right. Healthy eating. So yo my G's, last night you don't know say after we finish the food, the nigger something that happened, lick me down. Me drop asleep downstairs. The man him did still a record song last night. Them never done until around, well, me go upstairs around 5 o'clock this morning. I go upstairs, left all of them downstairs, see my record. I create 2 hits last night. Lojan and Trabass create 2 hits. Me did tired, I drop asleep. As me eat the food, I drop asleep. So I never get to close the vlog properly. Cause really and truly, the way I made go close the vlog. Yeah, but me always so now say, yeah, I need to close the vlog properly. So I just pick up back the camera right now before I edit, because I'm going to start edit right now so I can get the video today. You know what I mean? So, yeah man, we're there. And we are doing it. I'm about to start my day. Bingy I can link with, so the next vlog gonna probably get a little FIFA segment because them love play FIFA. Everybody want to try beat me with FIFA and nobody can beat me. You know what I mean? Trabass put up my game at a good day and around 30 somebody had me. I play a couple of hours and I don't lose none of the game. I don't know. You know what I mean? It's impossible for me to lose a FIFA game right now. So, yeah man, big up myself. Big up on yourself. Big up my G's them. Mad move. I edit this so I can get it. I thought back, I done telling a little while, so I gone a little while. But, John wake up.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
Yeah.
I was around 6 o'clock, you got ready this morning.
Yeah man.
I'm going to go up around 5 o'clock left for now. No, I couldn't do it no more last time. Yeah.
Man, we'd have to just call it here, man.
Sure, you know.
6 o'clock.
How will you open it up still?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Enough. I'm going to try to edit the vlog and make them get it. The idea, yeah? So, up it, no pity. Mad move. The food last night you shelled out.
Oh man, that you shelled today.
Yeah. I saw me, I got up right now. I'm going to edit the vlog, as I said. I go upstairs right now, go load on them footage, so I can get the video today. Trabass probably upstairs I edit. I don't know if you wake up yet. But, big up my Jesus.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason? Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.